This video shows how to back up or restore settings with a USB drive using the Converge oven with simple control. Before you begin, make sure the oven is on but not in a cooking mode. You will need a USB drive. To back up or restore settings with a USB drive, do the following. Touch the menu icon. The menu screen displays. Touch the settings icon. The general settings screen displays. Plug the USB drive into the port. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Touch Backup Settings to USB. Or Restore Settings from USB. The oven downloads or restores the settings. When the process is complete, touch the check mark to return to the settings screen. Remove the USB drive. The settings have now been saved to the USB drive or restored from the USB drive. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.